Now that the cap and spark plug cables, spark plug wires are out, I'm going to remove the spark plugs. In order to remove the spark plugs, you need a few things. You need an extension. It doesn't need to be this long, or maybe it does when it's inside the car, like you're doing a tune-up. And you get a special spark plug socket, and in it is a little rubber thing, a little piece of rubber tubing. If you ever need to replace that, go to your Ace Auto Parts guy or your local guy, have him get a part that'll get some tubing. They've got some hosing and tubing that can slide in there, and that goes right on into there. See the top of that? Goes into there. Put that on the end. Oop. There we go. Put that on the end. And turn. Now these don't get cranked down very hard. I'm trying to do it with one hand. There we go. So when you put them in, don't crank it down too hard. Also, make sure when you put it in, it's not cross-threaded. That would be bad. You also want to have some needle nose pliers handy, because sometimes you can't get that sucker out very well, or sometimes this end socket, once you tighten it down in there, it's stuck. So you need the needle nose pliers to pull it out. Also, you know what else you don't want to do? You don't want to drop anything into the spark plug hole. That would be bad. Alright, assuming these are brand new spark plugs, let's see how they look. I don't think they're too bad. See what's stuck in there? Come on. I'm going to need two hands for this. Anyway, that's how you remove the spark plugs. I'm going to do that all the way around.